Lynch under center with an I formation, and Jarvis Pook with a fullback, and Lynch rolls to his right. He can walk in, fakes a pass, and walks with a jog, I should say, into the end zone. Touchdown, Tigers. Here's the snap high, and a great job by Paxton Lynch to get it. Now he tosses the ball to Brandon Hayes, who makes a man miss at the 10. Down to the 5 he goes. Lynch in a pistol, gives the ball to Hayes. Off left tackle, though, he keeps it himself. He's going to run into the end zone. Touchdown, Tigers. Paxton Lynch putting on a show. Last play of the quarter. It's good for a touchdown. It's 13-3. Here's the snap, and this time Lynch rolling right, wide open. Mose Frazier at the 20, the 10, the 5. Touchdown, Tigers. They're back up 20-10. Under center, play fakes, throws, screen left side for Hayes, to the 10, to the 5, into the end zone. Touchdown, Tigers, 27-13. White to throw again, pressured again, and sacked back at the 50. This time, Martin Ifedi. That makes him the #1 sacker all time. Quite a story. There's the fireworks. They go off when the clock gets to zeros, and the U of M's a winner, 31-20. That's your final here at the Liberty Bowl. The Tigers remain all alone in first place in the AAC.